Switching gears now. Governor Andrew Cuomo keeping the pressure on bars and restaurants as he tries to keep COVID-19 numbers low, saying authorities cannot take their foot off the gas. This, of course, as the number of restaurants along Chippewa Street in Buffalo gets set to make some changes. Hannah Buehler joining us live from Chippewa, where the street is closed off tonight for a new dining experience.
And Ashley, as you know, it's been exactly a week that you must order some type of a food item if you're going out for an alcoholic drink in New York State. And we'll have much more on Chippewa and the city of Buffalo's efforts to help some of these bars and restaurants in just a minute. But first, enforcement is getting strict at bars and restaurants across the state with social distancing and mask wearing as the number of cases in the 20 to 30 age range continues to rise.
They receive so many complaints that it's many of this is complaint driven.
Erie County Health Department sanitation workers checking bars and restaurants nonstop.
They usually get about 25 complaints a day. And the complaints are about large crowds, either the employees or the patrons not social distancing.
With the rise in COVID-19 cases for people in their 20s, Erie County Health Commissioner Dr. Gail Burstein says it's a nonstop approach to make sure bars and restaurants are abiding by social distancing and mask rules.
The sanitarians are going there. I mean, not to damper any parties, but they want to make sure that people are safe.
Burstein says oftentimes health inspectors are met with backlash.
Our sanitarians have encountered a lot of resistance and some really unpleasantness from the owners and the other patrons.
I've asked local governments repeatedly to step up and do the enforcement.
Governor Andrew Cuomo says the state liquor authority and New York State Police are also involved in enforcing the executive order, which now mandates you must order prepared food with any alcoholic drink. Over on the lake at Turtle Joe's, owner Gary Ballo says seeing health department workers and even the Erie County Sheriff's Office is a regular occurrence.
We've had the Sheriff's Department stop in and visit us, give us a clean bill. We've even had the SLA in here undercover come out and speak with me after their visit, said it was fantastic. They even mentioned, quote, I'll quote Daniel, and he said, I wish all bars were following the regulations like yours.
Ballo says there have been instances where patrons haven't complied. He's even gotten a citation for patrons not sitting down. But he says it all happened so fast.
The right thing to do is comply with the health department, work with them, and get through this together. Hopefully we only have a couple more months.
And a lot of these bars and restaurants here on Chippewa, at least, just haven't had the luxury to have a ton of space for outdoor seating due to social distancing regulations and capacity. But the city is really trying to change that. For more on this, I want to turn your attention to my colleague, Galat Malamed.